everyone, welcome to my talk. I am Zalinia and I'm Glara. Today we're talking about math and why is it important in our everyday life. Vanya, let me ask you a question. Why is math important in our daily life?
Math is important because we use it every day without even noticing. We use math when count money, tell time, measure distance, and solve problems.
That's true. What are some basic math skills we learn at school?
We learn addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. This skills helps us in many real life situations.
How does learn help us think better?
Math helps us think logically and solve problems step by step.
Where can students find math in their daily lives?
Math is everywhere. When shopping, cooking, playing games, doing sports, and learning at school.
What should students do if math feels difficult?
They should keep practicing and not be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes help us learn and improve.
That's a great advice. Any fun messages for the listeners?
Yes, keep practicing, stay curious, and enjoy learning math. Thanks for listening and have fun with math.
Dyako Educational Compound.